ly / memes hyphen maker hyphen polymer. But I'm going to try and do the CSS part as quickly as possible. So. Okay, so it's looking more like a meme now. I still need to do the outline thing, which I have a snippet here to remind me how to do it because it was some weird text shadow thing. So yeah. Okay, let's hope it works. Yeah, okay, that looks relatively good. Let's just make this a bit bigger. So now we have something that looks more like a meme. Just so you can see. So we just start, so this is what we want to be the end case. So now we want to make it more configurable. So we want the user to be able to say, to pick what image they want. They want the user to be able to pick what goes with the top text, what goes with the bottom text, and also change the font size maybe so that they can determine how big or small it should be. So how we're going to do that is we can just look at this property, for example. So we can see that here we have a property called 1, and that's a string. The value is here, but what we can do is make that make it so that the user can input the value when they're defining the element. So I'm just going to delete this. So we want an image URL. So we're not going to define the value here. So instead of having the image defined here, we're going to replace this with a reference to, oops. We're going to replace it with a reference to that property. So if we remove this here, if we go back, nothing will happen because the user hasn't actually said what the image URL should be. So what we should do is go back to the demo. So this is an example of how someone will actually use your element. So what I'm going to say is I'm going to put a property called image URL and then put back this image here. So something to note is when you're defining the property, when you're using the element, it is, I think this is called command case. But when you're actually using it in your templates or in your JavaScript, you have to use camel case. So if you ever get mixed up with that, don't let that trip you up from it. So I'm going to go and refresh, and we should have our image back. So this is the demo here. So you can see that the user has just put this in, image URL is equals to this, and then this is the result that they're going to get. So now we can do the same for this part, and then the font size. So you can easily replicate that. So I'm just going to copy this. And we can also use these variables in our CSS because this whole thing is part of the template. So if I go, font size, if I put it here, I can just add this here. So it's actually fine. The problem is just that obviously Visual Studio Code doesn't understand that I'm using whatever. If there's a plugin for that, and I don't know, somebody can tell me, but so that's why I'm getting all these red, but it's not a problem with the actual code. So I can go back here and then I can define what I want. So this is an example of how your user will use it. All they'll do is put the image, the top text they want, bottom text, and the font size. And then you can refresh the page, and there you have it. This is the view maker. So this is all your user has to do, and then they can get this result. And nothing has to be defined. You can like remove bottom text if you want, and it's not going to break anything. You just have it not be defined. So you can make things optional. You don't have to do it. For something like font size, you can have a fallback there, seeing as it's CSS. So what I would do is have like font size defined here as like 30 pixels, so that if the user doesn't actually define the font size variable here, there's at least a fallback to be used. So you can just do that, and then this will now be 30 pixels instead of 50 pixels. But the user has the control to change that if they actually want to. So that's basically it. You can also publish your application or your components rather on a site called Web Components. So I'm going to show you here. It's webcomponents.org. And what you just have to do is publish your elements to GitHub, and then you can have it listed here. So I've already done this for mine. So you can search for Maker. And if you use, they have a special way that you can add an inline demo here. So you can just, so this is editable. So anyone who wants to actually test out your components, they can just start changing things and things will auto refresh here. So if you ever make a component and you want other people to be able to use it, then you should definitely publish it on webcomponents.org and have this demo so people can do whatever they want. Yeah. So, I hope you are all able to follow that. As I mentioned, you can have a look at the final repository if you go to this URL. And that has the actual element that was published on webcomponents.org, which isn't dissimilar at all from what I just showed you here, but I think I just added some responsive. will try and shout. So if you're interested in polymer and web components at all, there are a few resources I think that you should check out. Oh, right, then. So you can go to polymer-project.org. So that should be like your first stop for everything. I think they have links to everything else from there. But if you just go to polymer-project.org, that's where you can find all the information on how to get started, build like components or build fully fledged applications. They have a lot of field guides, so if you're just like getting started, they will walk you through all the different aspects of creating components. And also look at this. But if you go on the Google developers YouTube channel, they have a lot of videos that they show from talks that they did at Google I/O about web components. And I think there are four major ones. All you have to do is just search web components on their channel and you'll be able to find them. Or you can just go to, they have a playlist of, I think, all web things related, all talks they gave that were related to web components. Yeah, they're also having a Polymer Summit later this year. I'm sure if you're not able to go, that they'll publish all the videos online. And yeah, that's it. Thank you. Does anyone have any questions? Any questions?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, my name is Wale. I work with the COVID Academy. So my question is this: said when you're talking about Polymer, it has a pre-cache feature. Yeah, Polymer it has a pre-cache feature. It has to load all the components of your web pages. It has to load them, pre-cache them. So when the user clicks to go to another page, it doesn't have to start loading the page.
Yeah.
It has it cached in it. Now, I want to know what's the real difference because PWA it's kind of offline first. So what's the real difference when I create a Polymer project? Yeah, how is it different from me creating a PWA? Yeah.
So I'm trying to repeat the question. So how is a polymer component different from a progressive web application?
Yeah, because of the pre-cache.
So they're not two different things. Like polymer is a way of making progressive web applications. There's no one way of making a progressive web application, if that makes sense. Separate things. Like you can want to make a progressive web application, you can use polymer to do that. So, for example, the whole caching of things, having things like offline first, those are parts of polymer. So, like I showed you before, polymer already, if you want to make a polymer application, you're already a key worker for you. So that's already like helping you make it progressive web application. So, like I said, they're not either or, you can use polymer as your tool. In fact, if you want to build a progressive web application, polymer is a great framework if you want to call it that to actually do that.
I want to ask, can you actually use Polymer with other libraries, like creating a component for React and using it?
Yeah, you can. Especially in Polymer 2.0, they made it very easy for you to use it with other frameworks. So it doesn't necessarily have to be everything Polymer. You don't have to use, you can have like a plain HTML JavaScript site and just have like one thing that's for Polymer. You don't have to use it as a whole framework. You can pick and choose. And you can use it with something like React as well. So when you are building a React app and you just want to move on to particular Polymer components, you can still do that because at the end of the day, it's just like an HTML CSS and JavaScript. Like, and like I said, we're using as many native APIs as possible. So it won't interfere with your full-fledged framework. Anybody else? Okay, thank you.
Thank you very much, Ray. Let's get started with tonight's challenge. Big fix right now. Just about 5 minutes to mistakes. Few that's blown out somehow. And they're fixing it right now. So about 5 minutes. People to stand, people to walk around. For 5 minutes, we'll be set. Thank you.